Hi, this is Gareth Kentish, and today's video is about Aweber and integrating into your PayPal account. The reason why we want to do this is that you can build your subscriber list on every sale that you make through your eBay account or shop as your customers pay through PayPal. What a great way to build your customer list with very little effort involved. And of course, with that list you can then keep in touch with them through sales correspondence and communications, letting your customers know about new sales or new products that have arrived into your shop. Okay, so how do we set this integration up? Well, like everything in Aweber, the process is straightforward. So we'll start that by clicking on the My Apps button, which is on the top right hand side of the screen. Click on My Apps. We'll then move down the screen and you'll see the PayPal application there. So we want to enable this application, so let's click Enable. Now, apologies for the language here, it's because I live in France, so it's recognized my French IP, but you'll have a similar menu in English, of course, or wherever you are. So we need to type in our email user ID for PayPal and password. Let's do that. Click the login button or the Connectez-vous button, and you'll then be asked, hopefully in English, as you can see here, whether you wish to grant permission to integrate to PayPal. Well, yes, we do, so we click on Grant Permission, and that's it. It's as simple as that. So we'll now move to step 2 to enable the PayPal notifications. So these are the messages that you want to send to your customers as they sign up to your subscriber list. So what we now need to do is to click on the instant payment notifications page within PayPal, but before we do that we need to just copy this address here, this link address, and I've just highlighted that in blue by clicking on it. Control C copies it into computer memory. I'll click on the link here, instant payment notifications page. Now that should take me to my PayPal account, which it does. I now need to edit my settings, so click on Edit Settings, and then I'll paste that address into this box here, and I've just highlighted that by clicking on it. I can click the delete button, Control V, and I've now put that URL into that box, and then click on the Save button. And when I've clicked the Save button, you should be returned to the screen that looks a little bit like what you see here. And what we now need to do is to go back to the Aweber account, and if I click on the back arrow button on the top left hand side of the screen, I should get back to my Aweber account at the point where I last left off. And you can see here the 6 instructions we've just executed, and we're now on option 3, and it's here you select the list that you want your subscribers to be added to, and you should have a pull down menu here, and in this example I'm going to select Detail Bar. I could however select the subscriber list that we created previously in the earlier video, Auction Money Gen, but I'm going to stick with Detail Bar in this example. And that is it. If however I wanted to add Auction Money Gen and have my subscribers added to that list as well, I would click on this button here, and then I can select that subscriber list as well by clicking the Add button. But in this example I'm happy with what I've done and comfortable in setting up the integration into PayPal. So what will your customers expect to see when they buy a product through your eBay account or shop and they pay through PayPal? Well, when you set your subscriber list up, you are able to put notification messages in, and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so the best way to do that is to first of all select the subscriber list that you wish to work with, and in this example I'm going to stick with Detail Bar, although I can choose other subscriber lists that I've created. And then click the Message tab here and the Follow-up option. Now if there are no messages in the system, you'll be able to create a new one just by clicking the green button here, but I've already created one, so I want to click on that just to give you an idea of what I'm saying to my customers as they sign up to my subscriber list. Now I've placed a title in there so they can see here that they're being welcome to the members site of eTail Bar. Happy with that. I'm not going to talk about the HTML editor here. We've covered that enough in the auction money generator program. In this example, I'm using the standard editor, the plain text editor, and I'll just highlight a couple of things here. First of all, you can see here we've got these funny characters and then first name underscore fixed. What that will do for me is it will place the first name of the customer that is signing up through that web form box, if you recall. And the other thing that I want to draw your attention to is I've actually put an address here of an ebook here highlighted. Now why I do this is because I want to thank them for signing up to my subscriber list and offer something for free, so they can click on this link here and then start reading relevant information to the product that they've actually just bought through my eBay shop. And really it's as simple as that. So I'm hoping that's helpful. My name's Gareth Kentish. Thank you very much for watching.